Focus on the hardest things first or worst things first. This is a saying in English which means that we need to take up the worst tasks or hardest task first, say starting in any particular day. The reason being, first reason is that your mind, body, and the energy levels will be very high. So you would be able to complete those hardest tasks very fast compared to when you are in the evening when your energy levels are much low. So once you complete those hard tasks first, second reason is your confidence will get boosted because the most difficult task has been completed, and this helps you to take up other less stressful, less hard tasks, and then like that in that sequence you will be able to complete all the tasks which are less stressful, less effort, requiring less effort, and then you can complete those tasks in the later time of the day. So that is why we should always try to complete the hardest tasks or tough tasks first. Well, some people say that it may not work out because you may get stuck for a long time in the hardest task, and then you may not be able to complete that also. What you can do is you can do mix and match. Take up a simple task in the morning if you find that hardest task cannot be taken up as a first one. Take a very simple task which does not require much effort and time and complete it fully and then take up the hardest task. The reason being, once you complete a small task, if you cannot take up the first one, the hardest task, when we take up a small task and complete it, it gives you or boosts your confidence a lot. Then you can take up the hardest task. That would help you to have a mix and match scenario and then try to complete the hardest task with full concentration, attention, and motivation. And that would give you a lot of motivation to take up the other small tasks. And this is what I have found it very useful, and that's why I'm sharing this method. You may also have different type of mix and match, but why this is said is that if you are able to cross the hardest route or hardest task initially, first of all, it would give you a lot of motivation, and then all the other tasks would become much easier to complete it. That's why this saying is being followed. So try to have a mix and match if you cannot take up the hardest task first. So we all know, suppose I have to say, complete a task which would take 2 to 3 hours a day. I have another task which is going to take only half an hour in the morning. If you are not confident, okay, try to do the small task which needs half an hour time only. Once you are completing that, you will get a lot of motivation energy. Then take up the hardest task which requires 3 hours. Then focus with full energy and motivation to complete that. In this way, you can try to, first of all, you get motivation, at the same time, energy and the confidence. Once you are able to complete the hardest task, which requires 3 hours, then you get full motivation and energy and confidence because you have completed two tasks. One is a small task, which has given you a lot of confidence and energy. Then you have taken up the hardest task, which has taken much longer and completed it also with full attention and confidence. Then you can take up the other tasks. I think with this, I made some value. Okay, so if you follow this particular methodology, you will be able to say try to complete whatever is possible during the day. Thank you so much.